Every day is a new hope. The video aims to aware masses about the importance of providing a safe environment for children, women, and youth to develop, so that values such as resilience, self management, and patience could be inculcated in the masses. This video represents the facilities and services being provided free of cost at District Drug De-Addiction Center, Bandipora. With a little hope and a support system, we can cross any hurdles. Dear community members, addiction is a battle that many face, but it is a battle that can be won. If you or someone you know is struggling with drug abuse, know that you're not alone. At District Drug De-Addiction Center, Bandipora, Jammu and Kashmir, we are here to help you reclaim your life and future. Seeking treatment is a courageous first step. Our services are compassionate support, professional counseling, detoxification, free medication, tailored treatment programs, confidentiality and high data privacy, rehabilitation, whole person recovery, and much more. Every day is a new opportunity to make positive change, and with the right help, you can overcome this challenge. Remember, recovery is possible. Take that brave step today. Reach out us at District Drug De-Addiction Center, first floor, Old District Hospital, Bandipora, Jammu and Kashmir. Contact us on 9596 022 376, 9149 667327, 7006 630850, 7006 440713, 9797 852187, WhatsApp 9596 022 376, email ddacbandipora@gmail.com. Follow us at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn at DDAC Bandipora. Your best days are ahead. We are here to help you every step of the way. With hope and strength, District Drug De-Addiction Center, Bandipora.